Hello students. So this is a question on thermodynamics from IIT JAM 2026, and in this question the gas is 1 mole and it is ideal gas, and it's reversible isothermal expansion, and initial and final volume is given, and temperature is also given, and amount of heat transfer is alpha r, and we have to calculate the value of alpha. So if I write first law of thermodynamics, dq is equal to du plus dw, and there is no change in internal energy because it is isothermal process and ideal gas. So internal energy is only function of temperature. So we know what happens in isothermal process. So this heat will be equal to nRT ln V final by V initial. Okay. And this will become, it is 1 mole, so R into 273, and this is temperature, and ln Vf is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5, and Vi is 1.5. So it will become 1.6 by 1.5. So this calculation when you do, it will become R into, just do this calculation. So take natural log. So what value you will get by taking natural log? It will come out to be 17.73. So the value of alpha is 17.73. This is the answer. So we have done even tougher questions, but this was very straightforward based on first law of thermodynamics. Thank you so much.